Stop snoring. Stop. Okay. You want to fight? We'll fight. Okay, tomorrow we got work. I know. Remember, we're going to do an episode. Yes. Helping about... Wait, no, stop. We're going to do helping. Wow. So tomorrow's chapter 2, okay? We got to count our chapters, okay? I get them first. You ate the whole donut. Okay. Girl, we got work tomorrow. We had to fight today. No. What? Tomorrow we have work. Okay. No, you did. You did that more. Stop. Shut up. Now you did I treat you like that when you said that? Yeah. Tell me. Now you do that to me. But girl, there ain't no puppy eyes. You should always be kind, guys. Yeah. Even if they're being rude. Yeah. But if they keep being rude, even if you're trying to say nice things, walk away. And if they follow you, tell someone. Tell the teacher. You guys go to school. Okay, that's where we learn. I'm in 3rd grade. I am kindergarten preschool. And y'all, guess what age we are? I am 5. Hi, Pa. Hi, Pa. Intimidate. That's what it is. They were supposed to guess. You spoiled. Ow! Ow!